The metaverse. That's one of the most I would say important, like one of the most important emerging trends in the field of blockchain and the cryptocurrency world. And the metaverse is something being developed by Meta using the blockchain technology. So the metaverse is a digital ecosystem where users, represented by avatars, interact in persistent, shared 3D spaces, often using technologies like VR and AR. It's envisioned as a successor to the mobile internet, facilitating social connections and experiences beyond the physical realm. The term metaverse was popularized by Neil Stephenson in his novel Snow Crash, describing a futuristic connected virtual world. So what are the key characteristics of this metaverse? 3D persistence worlds. The metaverse is built on persistent virtual worlds where users can explore and interact even when not actively logged in. Avatar-based interaction. Users are represented by avatars, allowing for social interaction and exploration within the virtual environment. Social and economic activity. The metaverse enables users to engage in various social activities, create and trade digital assets, and participate in virtual economies. Integration of physical and digital worlds. The metaverse blends the real and virtual realms using technologies like AR and VR, right, to enhance experiences. Web3 and decentralized finance. Many metaverse platforms are leveraging Web 3.0 and decentralized finance tools to create ownership and control for users. Diverse platforms. The metaverse encompasses various platforms and experiences, including virtual reality, augmented reality, and even traditional gaming environments. So it's a Web 3.0, the crypto world. We had the Web 1.0, then Web 2.0, and Web 3.0. So Web 3.0 is your crypto, is your the world for Bitcoin and the artificial intelligence. Examples of metaverse applications: gaming and social interaction. Platforms like Roblox and Fortnite have pioneered user-generated content and social experiences within virtual worlds. Virtual events and concerts. The metaverse allows for the creation of virtual events, concerts, and conferences, providing users with immersive experiences. Business and collaboration. Businesses are using the metaverse for training, product design, and virtual meetings, leveraging its ability to create immersive environments. Education and healthcare. The metaverse can be used for medical simulations, remote learning, and other educational applications. Technological underpinnings. Web3 and blockchain. Web 3.0 technologies, including blockchain, are being used to create decentralized and user-owned metaverse experiences. VR, AR, XR technologies, extended reality, virtual reality, augmented reality technologies are crucial for creating immersive metaverse experiences. Right? Artificial intelligence. AI plays a role in getting the digital twins, enabling realistic expectations, simulations, and personalizing user experiences within the metaverse. The metaverse is a rapidly evolving landscape with various interpretations and applications. It represents a potential evolution of the internet where users can experience a more immersive and interconnected world.